Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is the continuation of my previous video. Last video I had posted related to file reading content from a file, reading the content from a file and printing it on the console. So now the topic is how do I perform write operation. Okay, so let me declare a file pointer f is equal to open. I'm opening a file. Okay, now let's check. I don't have any file. These are the only files. Now let me give a new file name out.txt and I'm trying to open the file in write mode. So read mode will be R. Write mode, how do I specify write mode? Using W, the character W. Okay, check the files here. I don't have out.txt. After running this part of line execution, if I check, I'll get the out.txt file which is created. When you open that file, the contents are empty. No data is found because I've only created a file in write mode. Fine. Now, how do I write content? How do I write data into the file? Using write method f dot write, and within brackets if I say hello. Fine. So I've opened a file out.txt in write mode and I have written the string. I have typed the string hello. Now let's run the code and check. Okay, I will not get the output on the console because the content has been written into a file. Now let me check out.txt. See, hello has been printed. Hello is written. Okay, now let me add one more line f dot write of welcome, and let me give space after hello here. Okay, now there are two lines. Let me run and check the file. See what happened. Hello, welcome. Okay, now let me delete the file, delete that particular line, and I write hi all. Okay, previously I had before executing I had hello welcome, right? Now the same file out.txt I have written hi all, which means it should be appended into the out.txt file. Hello welcome followed by hello welcome followed by hi all, right? Now let me run the code and check. Successfully executed. Let me check the output. See what has happened. Hi all, which means the previous content was overwritten. So W mode will actually overwrite the already existing file. Okay, now how do I append? How do I append data into the existing file? We have already learned about read mode. Now this is write mode. R stands for read mode, W stands for write mode. For appending, okay, instead of W, let me type A. This is the append mode. Fine. Now if I type hi all, hello, welcome. Okay. Now let me run the code. See hi all followed by hello, welcome. Fine. It's been appended. Now again, if I add one more line, f dot write off by. Okay. And let me run the code. See the output file. Hi all, hello, welcome, bye. You understood? So it is hello, welcome, and bye. It's getting appended. Okay, now let me run the code. See the output. Hello, hi all, hello, welcome, bye, bye. You understood? So each and every time when you add content to the existing file, the current data gets appended to the out.txt file. So this is how read mode, write mode, and append mode works. Okay, now what if suppose I want to open a file in read mode and then write the content into one more file? So this is a bit tedious, right? So let's read data from a file and write the content to a file. So I'll have f is equal to open. What do I have in sam.txt? Three lines, right? Let me read sam.txt content and copy it in out.txt. Fine. So copy content from one file and putting it into another file. So now let me open sam.txt. In which mode? Read mode. Fine. I'll use one more pointer. Now pointer f is pointing to sam.txt. Let me open another pointer f1. F1 open out.txt in write mode, right? So we have made use of two file pointers, f and f1. F1 is pointing to sam.txt. F is open. F is pointing to sam.txt. F1 is pointing to out.txt. Okay. Now let me read the content. For data in f. Okay. So let me try printing it on the terminal, onto the terminal. Okay. Print of data rather than writing before, rather than writing into the file. Okay, out.txt. Let me check whether am I able to read the text content from sam.txt and then print it onto the terminal. Let us run the code. See, it's reading the content. Okay, so within for loop, it reads one line by the other and it prints it onto the terminal. Okay, now let me change f1 is the file pointer to write using write method of data. Okay, now see the code. I'm opening, making use of file pointer f, opening the file sam.txt in read mode. Then f1, I'm opening out.txt in write mode. Now two pointers are pointing to two different files. Using the looping concept for data in f, I'm trying to read the content from sam.txt and I'm writing f1 pointer f1.write which data, a data from sam.txt. Let us run the code. Okay, successfully, no error. Out.txt. See, content from sam.txt has been copied into out.txt. So this is how you read the content data from one file and write it into another file. So this is the code. I hope you understood the concept. Now let me move on to the other concept. Okay. Now if you see the files here, img.jpg, this is an image that I have. Okay. I have an image file here. Okay. Now let me try to copy the image and store it into another file. Previously, now this particular code will copy the data and store it into one more file, right? Now I want to copy an image and store it into another file. So let me write the code here. Okay, now I'll have same file pointer f is equal to open of, what is the file name? img1.jpg, right? It's a JPEG image. img1.jpg. Open it in read mode. Let me open it in read mode since already we have learned this. Okay, then I have one more file pointer f1 dot open. Okay, I'll give out1 dot jpg in write mode. This is what we learned, right? Now for I in f, print of I. This is how we read the data previously and we printed the data onto the terminal, right? Now let us run the code. See what's happening. Okay, let me comment this line. Let me not write it into one more file. Okay, let us run the code. Okay, char map, right? So which means the data from an image will be read as a binary file. It is not a normal data file. So the mode will be RB. You have to write the mode as RB. So I'm opening file img.jpg in RB. Now let us run. See what happened. The image has been converted into binary file. It is a binary file. Successfully it has been executed, right? This is how you read a binary image and print it onto the terminal. Now how do I write the same file into another file? Copy the image and paste it into another file. Okay, I'll write f1 is equal to open of img2.jpg write mode a binary file, so wb. Okay, now for I in f, what will I do? f1 dot write of I. Clear? I've opened one file, image file in RB mode, F file in RB mode, F1 in WB mode. Okay, both are binary files. I'm reading one after the other and writing into one more file. So let us run. See, output, no error. Now let me check. It is out image2.jpg, right? Output file is image2.jpg, so it's been created here, image2.jpg. See, the image is copied. So this is how you copy an image, a binary file, into one more binary file. Okay, any doubt? So I hope the entire content is clear for you. Okay, thank you.